Hey everyone, welcome back to Countdown Garage. This is episode 2 of the bus series. In the last episode, we went ahead and installed riv nuts in the frame of the bus so that we could mount the hitch and bumper. And in this episode, we're continuing to work on getting that bumper and hitch installed. Today, we're going to test fit the bumper, and then we're going to grind and paint the hitch. Then, we're going to install the hitch and bumper together. And finally, we're going to install the splash pans that go between the bumper and the body of the bus. And then it'll be complete. It'll be fully installed. What I'm doing here is I'm attempting to test fit the bumper. What you see is me fumbling around with it because I haven't realized yet that I need to drop the muffler down in order for the bumper mounts to go into the area where then I can attach them to the frame where the riv nuts have been installed. Other side's held up. I can get 1 or 2 bolts in. I think we'll be decent. I have one. Let's see. There we go. Okay. All right. That's a good sign. Thread in pretty well. There we go. Bingo. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and snug this one up. I'm not going to go all the way tight, but I'm just snugging them up enough to where I get the bumper mostly up there. Okay, all right. All right, well, the bumper's on. Hey, these bolts need to get tightened up here and there, because those are loose, these two. But hey, you know what? It's on. I'll take that as a win. That works. Yeah, tightening those up, that'll fix it. Nice. So this is the hitch that I plan on using. It came with my bus and it was on it when I bought it. I did have to have it repaired just like the bumper because it was bent slightly. It is a ball hitch, so it's a 1 7/8 inch ball hitch, and it'll probably tow up to about 2,000 pounds, although I'll most likely never tow anything with it. It does need cleaned up a little bit. I'll wire wheel it and get it nice and clean down to the bare metal. There's a couple spots here that need to get repaired. It must have happened when the hitch got hit before I got the bus. I'll have to take it over to a machine shop and get both spots welded up. It looks like it's just a simple crack, and the guy should be able to fix it up real quick and easy for me. But again, the plan is to wire wheel the whole thing, get rid of the rust, get rid of the crappy red paint, make it look nice, even though you're never going to see it under the bumper, and well, we'll roll with it. So I went ahead and wire wheeled it really quickly in this spot and took it down to the machine shop. I just found a guy in town. He basically just TIG welded the two spots together. I'll just, run the wire wheel back over those couple spots and get it ready for paint. I'll need to go through the whole thing again, and you can see some spots where I didn't really hit yet. So I'll just finish this up, and we'll go ahead and get it prepped for paint. All right, so here's the hitch after about 3 coats of paint. Finished up the wire wheeling and did everything. I painted the whole thing except for the tongue of the hitch. Actually looks really good. It was chromed out and I just left it clean. And like I said, I did 3 coats. It was enough to give it enough protection and make it look really good. And in case anybody wants to know, I used a Rust-Oleum all-in-one paint and primer. I just got it over at Lowe's. This color specifically is flat antique nickel. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the hitch here and the bumper here. These brackets are both loose so that I can get the thing up there. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to get, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to get the hitch up there first and get it lined up, and then I'm going to get the bumper up there, and I'm going to try to get 1 bolt on each side and see what I can do. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, don't forget to share and then hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I'd also love to hear questions, comments, or anything else down below to give me some things to talk about in the next video. And don't forget to follow Countdown Garage on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. See you guys next time.